Hello and welcome to my room. I'm gonna be doing my eye makeup while I tell you a little bit about the outfit that I'm gonna choose today. These days I've been really liking putting a simple eye look on. I'll actually use brow pencils for my eye contour, like literally so simple. I just go underneath and then I'll go underneath. This is my eye look because literally I have my eyeliner tattooed. Put a little bit more blush on before I open my new package. This is like a pastel purple blush. I love this color. This is my package from Linjer, and it's actually carbon offset of every single shipment that they send out. Linjer is a fine jewelry company that is extremely sustainable because they recycle their fine metals as well as using good quality designs from Roman natives Norway and craftsmanship and materials from Europe and Asia. They also ethically source their gemstones and their diamonds, and today I ordered 4 of their beautiful pieces. Thank you so much, Linjer, for having brought this video to our channel. I'm so excited to wear everything because I picked out some stuff that I don't have, but also the fact that it's sustainable with recycled metals is such a thing. They make sure their products last a long time as well, sourcing only from ethical suppliers. This is my tennis bracelet mix. This is such a unique piece, and these bags are 100% environmentally degradable. Are you kidding? Are you kidding? Are you kidding? Okay, this deserves to be on its own wrist. It's a half and half chain and blue tennis bracelet. Oh my gosh, is it not gorgeous? Okay, time to put it on. Are you kidding me? Oh my gosh. It's so pretty, look at it. And then this part's like the tennis bracelet part, but it's blue with blue gemstones that they ethically source. Okay, slay. I got a ring too, and they have really pretty, unique pieces. This one's like a squiggly ring. Oh my gosh, so pretty. I've been obsessed with rings these days. So pretty. I can probably even put it here. Stack this one. This one's perfect for stacking because look, when it like dents up, then you can put a gemstone ring like under or over it. So pretty! Got another ring. This one I also wanted to stack with because it has a little bit of a V shape to it, which is really pretty. It's like a halo. And this one's gold vermeil. High quality sterling silver pieces that have a super thick layer of gold plating for lasting color and shine, and both the gold and the silver are recycled. So they're not mining new gold with like slaves in another country. So pretty. And I can layer it like this too. These are like my geometric rings. Okay, last piece is another tennis bracelet. This one's a classic tennis bracelet, and it's so pretty. This one is white quartz and silver. I like tennis bracelets because they don't get caught in my clothing and they don't get caught in my skin. They feel like basically nothing because all of the hooks are like internal. I don't even know how to explain it, but basically there's no hook sticking out and it feels really smooth. Oh, are you kidding me? It's so pretty. Oh my god. That scared me. Look at this beauty. Let's choose my outfit, and I am ready for a full day at church on a Saturday. I'm gonna wear these pants today because I want to be hip. I made a new friend at the club yesterday in the washroom, and it was so chill because she was wearing like cargo pants like these. So I'm gonna wear these. On top, I'm gonna wear my nude bra, moisture wicking top. This one's good for exercising. Finally, last but certainly not least, actually the most, is this sweater with like little flowers on it. It's so cute. Look at it. Ah! These are kind of noisy, but you know, it's chill. What I learned from styling with my personal stylist is like you choose one piece that you're gonna wear. You organize your clothes in like sections, right? So you have pants on one section, long sleeves, short sleeves, sweaters, and then accessories in another place. So you grab one piece that you're gonna wear. For example, I wanted to wear my cargo pants. And then after that, you grab something that matches in color or in shape or style with what you picked from each little section. So it's like picking out, literally picking out your outfit, but it's not like chaotic where like everything's everywhere and you don't know what to wear. Oh my gosh, cute, cute. It's a look, it's a look. This is my outfit, and I've got my tennis bracelets, I've got my rings, and I've got my rings that I stacked with. I hope you have a good rest of your day, and I will see you in the next one.